Want to know where the price will stop or break out? There is a free tool on TradingView that predicts these levels. Today, I show you this indicator. Then, I will give you a complete strategy to use it. Let's begin. First, open TradingView. I am using Bitcoin on the 1-hour chart. This works for any market and any time frame. Go to the Indicators tab. Search for Predictive Ranges. Click the one from Lux Algo. You will see 3 zones on your chart. This indicator is good, but the strategy makes it great. We need one more free indicator. Go to Indicators again. Search for VIDYA. Add the one from the creator Big Beluga. Now, go to the VIDYA settings. Change the first period to 50, the second to 20, and the distance to 2. This indicator confirms the trend's strength. Now let's combine them. Here is the complete strategy. For a buy trade, we need 3 confirmations. Trend check. The VIDYA indicator must be green, and the volume delta must be above plus 30. Entry zone. We wait for the price to pull back and touch the green support zone from Predictive Ranges. Signal. We do not enter yet. We wait for a strong bullish candle to close outside of the green zone. That is our entry signal. Place your stop loss below the low and aim for a 2-to-1 reward. For a sell trade, we do the exact opposite. Trend check. The VIDYA indicator must be red and the volume delta must be below 30. Entry zone. We wait for the price to rally up to the red resistance zone. Signal. We wait for a strong bearish candle to close outside of the red zone. This is our entry. Place your stop loss above the high and target the downtrend. Important. The Predictive Ranges indicator helps you find key levels. The VIDYA indicator helps you confirm the momentum. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Comment below with other indicators you want me to test. Thank you for watching.